Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize crypto to broker transfers using Coinbase Wallet. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Ensure you are logged into your Coinbase Wallet account. Navigate to the settings section within the app. Select the security option from the settings menu. Locate the authorization or connected apps section. Tap on add connection or connect new account. Choose your preferred broker from the list of available options. Follow the prompts to enter your broker account details. Grant permission for Coinbase Wallet to access your broker account. Review the terms and conditions presented by both Coinbase Wallet and your broker. Confirm your agreement by tapping authorize or accept. Wait for the verification process to complete. You should receive a confirmation notification once the connection is successfully established. Return to the main dashboard of your Coinbase Wallet. Verify that your broker account is now listed under Connected Accounts. You are now ready to initiate crypto to broker transfers. Open the Transfer or Send feature in the Coinbase Wallet app. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Choose your connected broker account as the destination. Review the transaction details before proceeding. Confirm your transfer by tapping Send or Transfer. Monitor your broker account for the successful arrival of your funds. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized a crypto to broker transfer using Coinbase Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.